In this video we will show you how to remove the V159 motor from the HVAC system, from the left side of the front passenger's footwell on Volkswagen Golf 5 Mk5, GTI and Jetta in 13 easy steps. The problem with this servomotor is that there were some noises like a kind of plastic rattling at the bottom of the dashboard, in the passenger's footwell when the temperature is set to 22 degrees Celsius. When we checked using diagnostic tool or VCDS, it's showing that it cannot see the position of the motor. Required tools: T15 and T20 Torx trim removal tool. 1. Remove the plastic cover on the right side of the dashboard and the two plastic parts using a trim removal tool. 2. Remove the plastic cover on the left and remove the bolt from inside using a T20 Torx. 3. Remove the plastic part. 4. Remove the foam above the passenger's feet. It has two plastic screws to unscrew. 5. Open the glove box and remove the 3 bolts on the top and those 3 bolts from below using a T20 Torx. Six. Remove the plastic cover above the ashtray using a trim removal tool. 7. Remove that bolt using a T20 Torx and take the glove box out and unscrew the plugs from the back. 8. Remove the hose through which the air reaches the glove box. 9. Remove the plastic tubing from the passenger's feet using a T20 Torx to remove the bolt. 10. Remove the 3 bolts from the servomotor with a T15 Torx or a 15mm socket. 11. Disconnect the connector from the servomotor and then twist the servomotor to remove it from the plastic arm. The V159 motor from Volkswagen Golf 5 and Jetta can be identified by this serial number, 3C09075511B. You can find a new V159 servomotor for Volkswagen Golf 5 and Jetta below at the link from the video description. 12. Install the new V159 servomotor in its place and connect the cables. If you cannot install the servomotor on the plastic arm, you will have to turn on the ignition to change the position of the plastic arm, and this will make it easier to install it. 13. Reinstall all the other car parts. Let's see if the V159 motor has stopped making that noise of plastic rattling when we set the temperature at 22 degrees Celsius. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Yes, it's working fine. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.